if you're new to trading and you're trying to figure out how much money you should put into your brokerage account to begin trading, well, I'm here to tell you guys that amount should be $1,000. Now, of course, you can put a little less, and that's going to be a little harder to trade, or a little more. It's going to make your life a lot easier, but $1,000 is the right amount. The first reason being, $1,000, though it's a lot of money, it's not life-changing money. So if you lose that while you're learning, while you're trying to invest, well, guess what? You might have to pick up some extra shifts at work, you might have to forego a couple fancy dinners, but you don't have to auction off the house, you don't have to go bankrupt, you don't have to get rid of the kids, none of that. You can recover it. The second reason is because you can make really substantial gains with $1,000 and just practice the risk management principles and get up your way to making $2,000, to getting up to $5,000, $25,000, and make consistent gains daily. The third and final reason why $1,000 is a great amount is because you can trade a lot of different stocks. So you can trade the small cap stocks and get a lot of different positions. You can trade mid cap stocks, get a couple positions here and there. It's not going to break the bank. You can even trade the blue chip stocks that are going to be very expensive, and guess what? You're still going to have a little bit of money left in your account. That's just free to use however. So that's how much I would suggest you guys use when you look to open up a new brokerage account and begin trading.